Today, we're going to introduce you to the Shark PowerDetect corded stick vacuum, featuring Detect technology. Shark Detect technology intelligently senses floor type and direction. This helps optimize cleaning performance by adjusting suction and brush roll speed when it's truly needed. The Shark PowerDetect features a premium LED display and easy-to-use button controls. To select cleaning modes, simply tap the Mode button. The display will indicate your selected mode. There are 3 different cleaning modes on the Shark PowerDetect. 2 manual surface modes are designed to clean specific surfaces without Floor Detect technology. Detect mode is at the bottom of the display and is the default setting of the PowerDetect corded stick vacuum. Detect mode activates Floor Detect technology. In this mode, the vacuum will automatically detect different floor types and adjusts brush roll speed to maximize cleaning performance. We recommend always using Detect mode for the best cleaning experience. Listen, and you will hear your brush roll adapt depending on the floor type. Finally, Direction Detect directs suction to clean in forward and reverse. Shark PowerDetect is optimized to direct suction and pick up debris on both the push and pull strokes. Visit our support site for more tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides on your Shark PowerDetect corded stick vacuum.